In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams add-in if it's missing in Outlook. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to schedule a meeting and suddenly the option to do it through Teams isn't available. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some steps that will help you get that add-in back where it belongs. First things first, ensuring that both your Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Outlook applications are up to date is crucial. Software updates often come with fixes and improvements that might resolve compatibility issues between different applications. So head over to each application and make sure you're running the latest version. Once you've updated, remember to restart both Teams and Outlook to ensure all changes take effect properly. Sometimes a simple update and restart can be the quickest fix. If your problem persists, it's time to verify the Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. Open your Outlook application and navigate to the menu. From there, go to File, then Options, and find Add-ins. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a drop-down menu for COM add-ins, and you'll want to click Go. Here, you should see a list that includes Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. If it's already checked, it should be enabled. If not, go ahead and check the box and make sure to click OK. Sometimes you might find that it's disabled. If that's the case, you'll need to enable it under Disabled Items. Now let's ensure Microsoft Teams is set as your default chat app for Office. Open Microsoft Teams and click on your profile picture to access the settings. Next, go to the General tab and under the Applications section, ensure that Register Teams as the chat app for Office is enabled. Restart Outlook to make sure that these new settings are applied properly. Finally, if the add-in is still missing, try running Microsoft Teams as an administrator. Exit the Teams application completely, then right-click on the Teams shortcut on your desktop or Start menu and select Run as Administrator. This gives Teams the required permissions to make necessary changes to your Office applications. After doing this, open Outlook again and check if the add-in appears. By following these steps, you should be able to restore the Microsoft Teams add-in to your Outlook, making scheduling meetings a lot easier. Remember to check for updates regularly and run your applications with the appropriate permissions to avoid these issues in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting